ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 59 श्लोका 4। काननान्तमितवान् भवानपि स्निग्धपादपतले मनोरमे व्यत्ययाकलितपादमास्थितः प्रत्यपूरयत वेणुनालिकाम्। Word by word meaning. Kananantam, into the forest. Itavan, who hadst gone. Bhavan, api, thou also. Manorame, the beautiful. Snigdha pada patale, snigdha, cooling. Padapa, tree. Tala, foot, in the cool shade of a tree. Vyatya yakalita padam, Vyatyaya, crossed. Akalita, placed. Padav, the 2 feet. Cross-legged. Asthitaha, standing. Venu nalikam, the flute. Pratyapurayata, didst fill. Full meaning. Thou, having gone into the forest, would stand cross-legged in the beautiful shade of a tree and play the flute. Om Tat Sat.